Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. Guys, today's video is going to be a fashion haul video from one of my absolute favorite places to shop from, SHEIN. You guys know that I love to shop from SHEIN. I recently did a little bit of shopping and I'm here to show you guys every single thing I got. Okay, you guys seem to enjoy whenever I do hauls like this, so expect more hauls in the future. All right, so if you want to see all of the yummy stuff I got from SHEIN in today's haul, then please keep on watching. Alright, so let's start off with this very one I'm wearing right about now. This is a set. Oh, by the way, I got a lot of sets on SHEIN. You guys know that I'm completely obsessed with sets. Like, I don't know what they did to me at this particular point in time that I am super duper obsessed with up and downs, 2 pieces, sets, coordinates, whatever you want to call them. I love them so much. I want them in every color, in every pattern. It is crazy. So I went ham and I got a lot of sets on SHEIN. This one is one of them. This is basically just like a nice tee. Like, I particularly love the fabric of this outfit. It's very soft, like super duper soft, but quality fabric. You get quality but really soft. I love it so much. You guys know that I always shop on the curve or plus size section on SHEIN. I feel like on the curve section on SHEIN, I can see things that I love because I don't like fitted outfits. I love things that are loose most of the time. So if you are a size 12 upwards, the curve section should be your best friend on SHEIN. All right, so I got this set. It is like a tee, basically a leopard print. Is this leopard print now? Yeah, leopard print tee with matching leggings. I love it so much. Again, the fabric is so beautiful. I will leave exactly how much I got this on the screen and in what size I got this, but it's so beautiful. It fits me so well. It's like a proper leggings on me. The pants fit so well. The band on the waist is elastic, which means it can even fit anybody who is bigger than me, maybe like 1 or 2 sizes bigger than me. But I absolutely love this outfit so much. Like, it's an outfit I can dress up or down with heels, with sneakers. And yes, I think I'm having a bit of an animal print moment in my life right now. You guys would have noticed that I've been wearing a couple of animal prints here and there, and this I absolutely adore. And one good thing about sets is that you can actually wear them separately. So I can wear this leggings with something else. I can wear this t-shirt with a pair of jeans. That's the beauty of sets. Absolutely love this. Okay, so the next one is this zebra print set. All right, so this is a long sleeve shirt and a pair of pants, matching pants. This has to be one of my favorite from the bunch of things I got. I absolutely love this so much. I feel like this is screaming classy woman. Like, this is screaming classy woman so much. It is crazy. I love this so much. The fabric is not heavy. It's actually kind of light, but then with this heat in Abuja, I don't be wearing a lot of long sleeves. Anyway, I do feel like I can get away with wearing this. I love it so much. Like, look at that. It is so pretty, guys. I can wear this with a pair of white sandals, white heel sandals, and it will just take this look to 100 real quick. The pants also come with pockets, casualize the outfit. This outfit is everything, guys. I mean, it is so pretty. Again, I can wear this blouse or this shirt with something else, maybe like a pair of black leggings or a pair of jeans. I can wear the pants with a white top. Like, the list is endless with the way I can style this outfit. Okay, one thing I've realized about shopping on SHEIN is that the things you find on sale, like those things that are really cheap, usually they are not the best quality. So I stopped going to the sales section. I would just go instead to like the main curve page and start picking out things that I like. And I always see that when you go to the main home page, you see really nice, beautiful stuff, as opposed to when you go to the sales section, you know. So I just wanted to like treat myself and get something really nice. I love the pants as well. The pants are not straight. It's not a straight cut. It's like a boot cut, I think. It's not what they call it, boot cut. I can't wait to rock this somewhere soon. Like, honestly, I cannot wait. It is so gorgeous. All right, guys, so we have another set here. It is this peplum top, right, with this puffy sleeves, peplum top and matching pants. And let me just say that the quality of this one is amazing. It is so nice. Like, guys, the quality of this is beautiful. When I was showing my husband these clothes when I got them, he said that, oh my god, this fabric looks like a Nigerian print fabric, like something that is popular here in Nigeria. I think it's just like chains and butterflies. But yeah, I saw this and I knew I had to have it. Again, most of the pants of this set come with an elastic band, not a zipper, which I think is perfect for even when you add weights. It's perfect. Okay, I love peplums so much because they do well in hiding your foot, baby. Okay, I love that this also has like a tie, what do you call it now, a tie belt detail. I can remove the belt if I want and leave the belt on if I want. The pants are flay at the bottom and all around it's just beautiful. It has a round neck. Like, it's just so nice. The fabric is so nice. I absolutely love it. Like, I feel like these sets are giving me grown woman vibes. You guys know, like, grown woman. It's giving me complete grown woman vibes, okay? And I'm loving it so much. This fabric has a bit of a stretch, but I'm really happy with the size I got because it fits me just fine. I can even wear this to church or to like a proper business meeting and still look chic, right? Very pretty. All right, so this is yet another set. It is this brown, this khaki brown. Is that what this color is called? Khaki brown. This khaki, no, khaki is lighter than this, but it's a cute brown color. I do have a shirt that looks like this, like has the same color, but it's longer both in length and in everything. But I love this so much, guys, because of the color. I think I'm having a thing for brown these days. I don't know why, but yes, I am having a thing for brown these days. But what I love the most about this outfit is that the pants look like combat pants. So like they have these pockets here, right, that look like combats. This is screaming minimalist, okay? I am not much of a minimalist, but this is screaming minimalist, okay? I feel like the blouse is slightly smaller than the other blouses. You can see there's an opening here. It's trying to, I love that the pants make it look a bit more casual than the other ones, and I love the color so much as well. Really pretty. I feel like Oh, by the way, this came with a belt as well, like a tie belt. Let me see if I would like it better with the belt or without the belt. This is it with a belt, and to be honest, I don't know if I like this with a belt or without the belt. The belt even makes this place open more. I think I will be wearing it without the belt, honestly. All right, so this is the last set I got. It is just an all black set with polka dots on the sleeves. The fabric of this one is lighter than all the others. It's really light, like really light, which is good because the color is black and Nigeria is hot, okay? I love this. For me, this is a very casual set. I love that the sleeves have an elastic at the end, right? So they make it like ball sleeves, sort of. Comes with matching black pants. It just looks like, how will I put it now? It looks like a kaftan, yeah? Top stops at my knee, so I can actually wear this blouse on its own, rather this top on its own as a dress, because it stops at my knee, and I can wear the black pants with something else if I want as well. I can wear this anywhere. I can dress this up if I want with heels and still look chic. So this is really pretty. I love it. And this one is really loose, like it's really loose. I love it. All the sets, like I said, all the pants came with an elastic band, so the pants also came with an elastic band. And yeah, I just really like this, guys. This is like right up my alley. I love comfortable outfits like this so much. It's crazy. Okay, so I got a pair of black jeans. I've not owned a pair of black jeans in a long time. I definitely knew I had to buy a pair of black jeans. I've bought jeans before from SHEIN, not once, not twice. So I always know what size to go for that will fit me well. I think with jeans, I fit into a 0XL. With jeans, I fit really well in a 0XL. So I got this in a 0XL, and guys, it fits amazing. Like, the fit on me is amazing. Like, look at that. There's no space. And this particular jeans, I can't even use belts for it because there's no belt hole, but it still fits fine. It still fits fine, so I don't even need to use a belt with this. Most people always have a problem with buying jeans on SHEIN. Most times they always say that, you know, they never get their size right. It comes too big, sometimes it comes too small. But I feel like if you know the exact size to get, for me it's always 0XL. So yeah, I absolutely love this, guys. I love it so much. So I got two dresses on SHEIN. This is the very first one. Like I said before, Nigeria, Abuja is hot. and I've been looking for things that I can just throw on, and I saw this dress in passing. This was really cheap. I think it was like $8, and this was not that expensive, and I really love it. It's a spaghetti strap polka dot dress. If you don't know by now, I love polka dots. I have a jumpsuit that is polka dots. I have things that are polka dots, so this spoke to me because I love polka dots. And it's just a really cute, simple dress. Very cute and simple. Has a bit of a sweetheart neckline. Then it has like a little bit of ruching down below. So yeah, I just love this. Pretty simple, pretty easy. I can easily wear this and go. And with this sun, man, this is right up my alley. In fact, I want this dress in like all colors at this point. Fabric is literally as light as air. It's super light. So I'm happy about this. Really happy about this. So the second dress I got is this really cute one. It's a gray colored, more like a t-shirt dress. Okay, that's what it's called, a t-shirt dress. And I just love this because 1, it's casual, 2, it's comfortable, 3, it is light. I love this. But most importantly, I love what was written on it. May contain alcohol. I'm not the type that drinks, but I do take my alcohol like a couple of times a week. I'm just imagining wearing this with a pair of sneakers, okay? A pair of white sneakers would kill this dress. Love it. I can wear this when I'm actually going out for drinks, okay? This would be very appropriate for going out for drinks. Fabric is stretchy as well. Very stretchy. And yeah, I just love this. The quality is amazing as well. The fit is good on me. I can't complain. I love it. Everything looks beautiful. Okay, so let's move on to accessories. Yes, I did get a couple of accessories, a pair of sunglasses, a purse, and a pair of shoes. And I have never bought any shoes from SHEIN before. Never shopped for shoes on SHEIN. I don't know why I always thought that the shoes from SHEIN will not be great quality, but I have been wowed. I have been wowed by this pair of stuff I got. Let me show you guys. I got this really cute, look at this guys, this really cute pair of mules. Like, they are kitten mules. Look at how low they are. Very low, but the embellishment did it for me. And I was so happy that I got this because I saw it on the website. I saw this and so many other similar ones like this, and I picked this one. I just said, let me just try by buying one pair first. And the quality of this thing is beautiful. Can you guys see that? Can you guys see this embellishment? It is so pretty, like pearls and like sparkles and all of that. It's so gorgeous. I feel like this is something I can easily wear with anything. Pair of jeans, pair of leggings, shorts, dress. Like, I can wear this with everything. And I feel like this is what will give an outfit that touch of class. This pair of mules. This has opened up my mind to buying more shoes, more footwear from SHEIN. Absolutely love this. This has to be my favorite item in this entire haul. I'm not even playing. I love this so much. Next up are a pair of sunglasses. I know, Alma, don't you have too many sunglasses already? I know, but I still bought one sunglasses because they are always cheap, okay? They're always cheap. It's not my fault. So I have to just pick one that was entering my eye, all right? And they are this cute black sunglasses. Let me just bring out all of this wrapping so you guys can see what it really looks like. So yeah, this is what the pair of glasses look like. I feel like this is almost like a cat's eye sunglasses. It has this like pointed edge right here. So I feel like this is, you know, really, oh, this is so beautiful, guys. Like, look at that. Look at this gold detailing here. So pretty. And oh my god, it's so nice. The top is darker than the bottom, so it's like an ombre effect. It's darkest up here and then it fades into like a lighter shade. So pretty. I love this. I cannot wait to start wearing this, so I beg. Hey, so cute. This is giving me boss chic. All right, who is that boss lady? Who is that person? So pretty, guys. I love this. I can't remember how much I bought this, but I will leave the price on the screen, maybe like $8 or $7 or something like that. But yeah, so nice. Hey god, who is this person? Look at this. Wow, And then I got this pretty pink purse, or more like a wallet, okay, feminine female wallet. The one I'm currently using is like way too small. It's like a regular wallet that men carry, but it's pink and it's really small. It doesn't really hold all my stuff. The one I had before that one was something like this, but it got really old and I gave it away. But yeah, I had to get a purse like this, and I found exactly what I was looking for. I wanted a nice pink wallety purse, okay? And this has a lot of room, guys. When I mean it has a lot of room, it has a whole lot of room. It has like space in here for, you know, cash and paper or whatever. And then it has space here for like cards on both sides, card, and then cash. Like it's really big. The color is slightly darker than what I saw on the website. I thought it was going to be like a lighter pink. This is more like a mauve pink color, but I still like it. I still love it. It's still pretty, and I can't wait to transfer all my belongings in here. And then last but not least is this. I have been looking for a nice tray to display my perfumes, and I do remember asking one or two people on Instagram, but I was like, you know what, SHEIN has great decor items. I've bought decor items from them in the past, so many nice items, and I figured I would find something for my perfumes. Now this was listed as a jewelry tray, but in my head I'm like, I don't store my jewelry in trays. So I actually looked at the reviews and I saw that people who bought this for their perfumes as well, and I'm like, yes. I saw a couple of other ones, but they were always too small. When I go down to the reviews, I would see maybe it fits only 2 or 3 perfumes, and I'm like, no, I want to put like 12 perfumes on this tray. So I found this one, and when I saw the reviews, people could put as many as 10, 11, 12 perfumes. Like, yes, that is it. It came in 2 colors, gold and rose gold, but I knew I wanted gold because I do have a couple of gold pieces in my house. It's really pretty. I love this. All right, this is like a proper mirror, okay? Proper mirror, and it feels heavy, it feels expensive. It does not feel like how much I bought it, okay? It feels expensive, and I'm so happy that I got this. It fits all of my perfumes nicely. That's if the tray was made for my perfume collection. I love this so much, and I'm super happy that I purchased it. Yeah. All right, guys, so that is it for this video. That is all I have for you guys in today's haul. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you enjoyed watching, let me know in the comments section down below. Let me also know which was your favorite item in this haul. I would love to know, so let me know in the comments section. Subscribe, thumbs up, share. I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye. I've been feeling like the motherfucking man.